Hey everybody, Devin Little from Jackson Dodge here with another video today. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to hook up your Sirius Guardian app. Let's jump in. So I'm using the 8.4 inch screen today. The process is very similar on the 12 inch screen. So I'm going to get into it here now. So I'm going to open up my app screen here. Then I see activate Go Services. So I'm going to click on that button. Okay, so now I'm going to go activate now. Enter in my name. And then here my email address. So make sure that when you do this part, you get the email address correct. Because if you don't get it correct, you do have to call in. So this just makes you skip a step here. Confirm. Okay, so now that I'm doing this, so I'm going to have to create a PIN here right away. And then from there, I'm going to get some emails sent to me. So I'll get into that as soon as I get those emails. Okay, so now you're going to get to a spot here. It's kind of long. You can read it if you want. Personally, I just skip these things. Sorry, you actually only have to press it once. Okay, so now, while I'm waiting for the email, sometimes it takes up to 10, 15, 20 minutes to get that email. There's gonna be 3 emails coming through. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to download the Sirius Guardian app on your Android right now. This will also be very similar on the iPhone. Instead of Play Store, you're just gonna go into the App Store. So I've got my Play Store here. You can also type it into the top there and it'll pop up. Then I'm going to search and I just type in Uconnect. So you can see there. Install Uconnect. Okay. So while I'm waiting for Uconnect, just gonna pop into my email quick here. Okay, so the email you're going to be looking for comes through as Fiat Owner Mopar or Fiat USA. So complete profile. So on here, I'm going to create password, confirm password. You have to have 8 characters in length and a combination of letters and numbers, and then I'm going to pick a security question, make a security answer. Then from there, it's going to be my email and the password I create to log in. So I'm going to get there. Let me just create a password here and I'll be right with you again. So now that I've created my account, I've activated the trial for Sirius Guardian. So I'm going to get that for a year from the date of purchase. So now that I can do that, I'm going to go into my apps here. Going to look up Uconnect. From there on, I'll put my email in. Now I'm going to log in here. I'm going to get another one of those terms and conditions things. This one is crazy long, so I highly recommend scrolling super fast unless you're very curious on all the disclaimers. So this can take up to 8 hours for everything to start popping up and working properly. Sometimes it's a little bit quicker. Okay, now I'm into my account here. Everything's all loaded up. So I've got my lock, unlock, remote start, I can do that from anywhere. I could be getting back from a plane trip somewhere, anywhere, be in the airport, fire up my vehicle. I could be on the other side of the country and I could fire this thing up. So vehicle information, this is going to take a little bit, but it will start telling you if an engine code or anything comes up, how much fuel you have in your vehicle. Keep in mind, for the people with the 12-inch screen, you will not get the information features. You will just have the remote features and then the location features. So you can track your so you can track your vehicle. There's also a feature in here too. So if your vehicle ever gets stolen or anything like that, you can assist the police in locating your vehicle with this app. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. If you have any other questions about any vehicles, or you want me to teach you how to work anything, please send in your requests and I'm happy to make a tutorial video for you.